Hi, my name is Sherry and this is Crossboatin', a place where magical people meet. Today I'd like to talk about the totem of the cormorant in the Native American sacred medicine. The cormorant is also related to the totem of the Anhinga. The Anhinga is called the Peyote Bird of the Native American Church, and there's very similar birds. The Anhinga has a very pointy beak, and the cormorant has more of a beak like a seagull with a little bit of a hook on the end. More of like a seabird. Matter of fact, I've seen a cormorant at Juneau Pier in Florida in the salt water under the pier. I've never seen an Anhinga in salt water. The Anhinga is very sacred to the Native American Church, as being the peyote bird. The symbolism is associated with the rainy season, with rivers, with lightning and thunder, and visions and wisdom. And this is different than the cormorant. The Anhinga has that very pointy bill. He teaches us to target our goals, focus our intentions, and overcome obstacles with time. It's a time when these are things that we can overcome with effort. These two are also related to the symbolism of the pelican. Three water birds very similarly related. The cormorant is a water bird that dives into the water, same as the Anhinga. They lack a lot of oil in their feathers, so they get waterlogged and they get bogged down. And the cormorant symbolism is a little more about deep diving and bringing things to the surface. The cormorant also has a sensitivity with their emotions, and they can get loaded down with excessive tensions and emotional excess and emotional rigidity. The cormorant is also an ancient symbol of nobility and good luck and bounty from the universe. And I hope you found this enjoyable. I would like to make a lot more videos. If you would like to subscribe and get an email update every time I make another video, you can click the subscribe button for free, and then you'll get that little email update letting you know there's another video ready to go. And I thank you for watching.